Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the key to a Skoda Octavia, and mine's actually on a 56 plate, but any key that essentially looks like this. Mine's a little bit battered. The reason I'm deciding to do this video is because I really struggled to find an online tutorial that actually helped me, and I really struggled with this. So the first thing you want to do is flip open your key, and on the side here you'll see you've got a little groove just where it connects together. So you'll need a flat object such as I just got my kitchen knife here, and you're going to stick it in that groove there and just give that a little bit of a push. And this here will just pull right off. So now you see you've actually got two parts to your key. This is the piece you'll need. And now these two halves should separate. There we go. Okay, let's see, mine's a little bit battered. That's just the water seal, I believe. Push that back into place. We have the battery. Now, if we can pop this out, I'm going to be replacing it with exactly the same battery, which is a 3-volt CR2032 battery. And that goes plus side down. So push that back in. Then reassemble in exactly the same way. If your key is battered like mine, you'll need to make sure that your water seal there is just pushed in. Make sure it's the correct way up, and that will just clip back on. Okay, and then the same again. That slots, and that needs a real push, and hopefully you've got your light flashing again. I hope that helped you. If it did, please give me a like, and speak to you soon. Take care for now.